someone to help me with my spelling quiz bee competition? Anyone? I have a date. Matawag bebe ko. Hi babe! ABCD lang alam ko. May laro ako. I'm dumb. May utos si mama sa akin. May utos ka, di ba? Fine. Black will help me. Spell beautiful. Ulitin ko. Beautiful. Done. Correct. Dalawa ang iyo anak. Ang technique dyan ay beautiful. I got 3 points. You get 0. I'm liking this game. Last word na to, ha? Spell Mississippi. Easy. Uulitin ko. Mississippi. Done. Correct, Mark. Overall, ang score nyo ay 25. Ha! I won! Undefeated. You lose! Haha! I'm so ready to win the quiz bee. Goodbye, losers! Black, wait lang. Bakit ka nagpatalo? Magaling ka sa spelling ha. Marami ka ding alam na languages. English, Filipino, Spanish at Latin. Ano na naman yung kalokohan mo ha? It's okay to lose, Black. I can teach you sometimes if you wanna get better, even just a little. Don't beat yourself up. If it helps, no one can beat me in anything. Tara, basketball. Lalampasuhin kita. That's not counted. I'm a child. I'm physically weak. It's not my fault. If you want, Black, since I pity you, we can play again. No, it's fine. Before we can play again, you can ask an AI or some apps to train you. I don't know any of them since I don't need it. I heard it online. Said they're good for the brain like yours. Ooh, low. You know, if you beat me, if that day would ever come, ha 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 ha, you can have whatever you want. Uh-oh. Ang mechanics ng game ay unang makalimang points ang siyang panalo. Uulitin lang namin ng 2 beses ang word at dapat tapos na kayong magsulat in 5 seconds. Maliwanag ba? This is gonna be good. Matalo sana si Mark. Kinakabahan ako. Nakaka-excite! Sana bati na sila pagkatapos. Okay, first word. Accommodate. Uulitin ko ha. Accommodate. Sabay tataas ang board in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parehong tama. Parehong may 1 point. Mas nakakatakot pala ito panoodin kaysa sa horror films. Next word. Nauseous. Isa pa. Nauseous. Itaas ang board in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tama ulit kayong dalawa. Tie with 2 points each. Tumataas balahibo ko. Dahil parehas na kayong may 4 points, kung sakali man na parehas kayong tumama sa next round, itutuloy ang laro hanggang sa may isang magkamali. The word is onomatopoeia. What? OMG! Onomatopoeia. Parang nahihirapan si Mark ha. Raise your papers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mark, time's up na. What? Okay. At ang point ay kay Black. Yay! I lost? No! Check it again! You cheated, don't you? Mark, matuto kang tumanggap ng pagkatalo. No! Anak, Mark, I'm not supposed to lose. I'm the most intelligent in this family. Anak, may kukwento ako sa'yo. Alam mo ba, noong bata ako ang pinakamagaling na player sa amin. Palaging MVP sa school at sa barangay namin. Dahil nga sobrang galing ko at ako ang pinakamagaling sa amin, sinali ako sa mga pambato sa regional competition. Humugot sila ng players galing sa iba't ibang school sa buong probinsya at pinagsama-sama sa iisang team. At sobrang saya ko dahil isa ako doon. Alam mo kung anong nangyari pagdating ko doon? Ikaw ang pinakamagaling? Nope. Isa ako sa pinakamahina at palaging binabangko tuwing may laro na. Why? Dahil may mas magagaling sa akin. Sobrang laki ng ulo ko noon kasi akala ko ako na ang pinakamagaling at walang tatalo sa akin. Kaya minsan hindi ako ma-attend ng practice. Someone beat you? Yup. Makakahanap ka ng mas magaling at mas lamang sayo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun hindi ka na magaling. Kailangan mo din malaman na may mas magaling sa'yo para matuto kang maging mapagkumbaba at maalala mo palagi kung saan ka nanggaling at kung bakit mo ginagawa ang ginagawa mo. Well, I love studying and I don't want to get consumed with power and staying on top. I'll forget what I love to do. Studying. Tama. At makakasakit ka din ng ibang tao at kapag hindi mo yun naiwasan, may iwanan kang mag-isa at walang kasamang kaibigan. Gusto mo ba yon? No! Okay, I lost this time, but this only makes me stronger, and I will study more to improve and because that's what I love to do. I should thank Black for helping me study. You're so good, Black. Ang galing mo, Black. Tama lang yun. Umiyak kaya si Mark? Sinadya mo yun, Black, no? Black? I'm sorry for being a sore loser. I accept my defeat this time. Thank you for making me stronger. Now, as we agreed, you can get whatever you want. What do you want?